We've dealt with the question of keys. We've dealt with the question of lighting.
Yeah.
Are we together?
Yeah.
This fire was lit at 7:30.
Yes.
Who called you and told you the fire is on?
Catalyst.
Catalyst. Who the catalyst does not stay there.
No.
You told this court there are watchmen at the main gate.
Yes.
Were there any watchmen walking around the school property at night?
Yeah, at night, we have security at night.
How many?
We and our chief security
Yes.
internally,
Yes.
and also requested the Langata police station to allow me two policemen at night
There were
because of the first fire.
there were police officers
But they had not arrived that day.
at 7:30.
Yeah, they had not arrived.
But they are the ones who came to investigate the fire. What time were they supposed to arrive?
From what we had agreed with the board,
Yes.
we had agreed they should be there from 7, from 6 to 7. They should be there.
Let us be specific. Do you agree they be there at 6 or at 7?
Actually, we are doing 6.
6. That's what I'm saying, yes.
Yeah.
There's a general presumption that they were present because you are not in school to know whether they had arrived or not.
And mostly when they arrive, they don't just enter the school compound. They can also secure the school from.
I agree there were 2 police officers.
Yeah, they were 2.
In a normal Langata boys school, how many watchmen were you having to run around, walk around the school compound at night? How many?
And two watchmen at night, and our school, that is the security farm, and our own security person to walk around the school at night.
So in total there were 3.
Yeah.
This is before 10.
Before 10.
After 10, did the board increase more staff?
The board did not, I cannot remember. Your Honor, I cannot remember.
You can't remember. Did any of those 3 people say who they saw walk to the dormitory?
Your Honor, I cannot remember the information given by each one of them. But they were, investigation was done and each one of them confidential was given.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I put it to you that there is a possibility so many people, 3 of you with keys could have access to that. True? And those boys had no key too. Let me move to the next question. This padlock that was locked in that door,
Yes.
it had stayed there for how long?
I can't remember, Your Honor.
You can't remember. Is there a possibility that padlock had stayed there for 4, 5 years? Or 2 years?
I can't remember.
No, I'm asking you, it's a speculation. I'm giving you this scenario. That door there. There's a padlock.
Yes, but I can't remember which.
The magistrate has a key to that padlock.
Yeah.
The secretary has a key to that padlock.
Yes.
This key, when somebody is transferred,
Yeah.
he hands it over to somebody else.
Yes.
And also like that.
Yeah.
So you cannot confirm to me that that key had not been duplicated.
I'm not sure of that.
I'm putting it to you scenarios.
Yeah, you are putting scenarios, but I'm not sure whether.
That there's a possibility some people had the key
Yeah.
other than the 3.
It's possible.
Thank you. The last question. The 7th accused person was suspended. The 8th accused person is called, and specifically for him, Samson Andani. He's among the famous 8.
Yes.
He was suspended.
I cannot remember that right now.
You've told this court, after the first 8 were handed,
They
they
were suspended.
were suspended.
Yes.
Don't panic, don't panic.
No, I'm not panicking, Your Honor.
Because
because I want the information.
yeah, 8 were suspended.
Yes.
One of them is Samson.
Yes.
What were the terms of the suspension?
I cannot remember, Your Honor.
The terms of suspension is general. Let me ask you, were they allowed to come to school after suspension?
No.
Could they access facilities of the school?
No.
That's what I'm saying. What were the terms of the suspension? They were supposed to come back on
25th.
on 25th.
Yes.
When was the Langata Dome? When was the Ryder Dome banned?
On 24th.
So that he was not in school that time.
Yes. So the planning was outside the school.
We are now going to the last stage of called conspiracy. Look at the church here.
Okay.
Have you ever seen what Samson and Ambi is facing?
Your Honor, I've not seen it.
It is here. Look at the first charge, the first count. Read it, what he is being charged of.
Conspiracy, commit a felony contrary to section 393 of the Penal Code.
Conspiracy.
Yes.
Did you get any minutes of the meeting they had? Do you have any meetings of these people having a meeting to ban the school?
I do not get any minutes.
There's no minutes.
Yes.
Two. Do you have any communication between these two people, between all these people, planning to ban the school?
No.
Do you have any data showing that they had a meeting and resolved to ban the school?
I don't have anything myself.
Do you have any witness who saw them sit and plan to ban the school?
I do not have.
Thank you. Let's go to child count number 2. In the charge sheet. What are they accused of?
Conspiracy to commit a felony contrary to section 393 of the Penal Code.
Still, that one is a conspiracy.
Yes.
You confirm you have no minutes, you have no where you saw them discuss
Yes.
as the complainant. Thank you. That is count 3, same conspiracy. Count 5. What is it?
It's arson contrary to section 332 of the Penal Code.
Arson means they burned the house,
Yes.
the dormitory. Did you see, according to you, have you produced any evidence to show them lighting the fire? Have you?
I don't have anything.
You don't have
information
anything.
because this information is with the police.
You don't have it.
Yes.
Lastly, in this arson, do you agree that we have put scenarios, putting very many guys, that it is a possibility? A boy who graduated 10 years ago can come and burn the door? Because the key we have given the key, it can be duplicated by very many people. So the boy who left 10 years ago or 5 years ago will come and burn the door.
With the arrangement of the one we see there.
Yes, with those ones who are inside. There's a possibility.
It's a possibility.
Lastly, the schools were being banned at this time. What was the general grievance in the school, countrywide?
Your Honor, I'm not aware. I do not know, but the schools were being banned, but we don't know the cause.
It was a rampage of schools being banned.
Yes.
What was the issue?
I don't know the reason.
You don't know the reason?
No.
You want me to tell you? There was a change of policy. Banning, and you told you, students were banned from having discourse.
Yes.
Students were banned, visiting was banned in schools.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. Is there a possibility one of your teachers who was annoyed with those policies banned the school? They don't?
I can't be sure of that.
But there's a possibility anybody could have done it.
Yeah, it's a possibility.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions. My good colleagues will proceed.